That's something else. Well, we are looking at hot weather out there once again. We had another hot summer day with our temperatures climbing right back up into the 90s. And right now we're starting to see some breaks in those clouds. We had some pretty strong showers that moved on through earlier. Nothing severe, of course, but we did have some wet weather that flared up right along the coastline and then moved on out fairly quickly out into the Gulf of Mexico. Right now it's 85 degrees at the airport. Dew point humidity levels are moderate. Winds are out of the east-southeast, and they're strong at 18 miles per hour. Today we got up to a high of 93. The overnight low was 77. So you can see that on average we're a lot cooler than that, and especially for the overnight low period. And what we've got going on is this. We've got an upper level low pressure system that is moving across the Gulf of Mexico towards Texas. And what it did was it helped to bring in all of this moisture in its wake, which is now moving across the state of Florida, and it's that moisture that we're experiencing right now and moving out into the Gulf of Mexico. Now you'll notice too that we had all of this drier weather that sat on top of us yesterday, and we are going to get more dry weather coming on in just in time for tomorrow and Tuesday. But we have the tropical systems well out in the Atlantic that will be having an impact on our forecast over the next couple of days, so rain is going to come back into the forecast. So we're going to see dry and then more moisture and then dry again. That's the way it's going to be over the next couple of days. And you can see the showers that I'm talking about. They've already moved out into the Gulf of Mexico, but they formed very quickly right along the coastline, and then they moved offshore, and most of the rain forming and thunderstorms forming just off the coastline with some lighter bands of rain just along the coast. And we still have to get through all of this before the night is over, and then we're going to be looking at fair skies to partly cloudy skies later on tonight. So we still have Harvey, and we still have two systems out in the Atlantic that we're going to look at. Harvey continues to move on towards the west. It did not become a tropical storm today as we had thought yesterday. It is moving towards the west at 20 miles per hour, and it will continue to move well, not being a problem for us, but well across the central South America and also the Yucatan Peninsula, moving into the Gulf of Mexico by Wednesday or Thursday. In the meantime, Invest 92 is this system here, and now we have another system located east of it, and it has a 10% chance of developing over the next 5 days. But this system, Invest 92, is going to continue to move on towards the northwest. This is where the tracks are taking it right now, getting very close to the state of Florida, if not right over the state of Florida. And so this is a wait and see situation, but it's going to help to bring back the moisture for our area just in time for the middle part of this upcoming week through the weekend. So we're going to see our rain chances increase pretty much over the Wednesday through Sunday period. So for tomorrow, some clouds for the eclipse, but not a whole lot with the scattered showers. It's just going to be hot with any showers developing being widely scattered, and our heat index is going to go back up to 100 degrees. So it's going to be another hot day tomorrow, and we are going to feel as though it's 100 degrees. That's the heat index. The actual temperature, 92. We're not even calling for rain chances. They'll be very, very low, and on Tuesday, that 30% chance is in, and then the moisture comes right back on Wednesday.